a financial foundation. That's why I encourage all the Filipinas out there, single Filipinas out there, to not dive in right away to the man you are involving in with, or to the man you are having in relationship with. Kay at the end of the time, women are the one who will going to suffer from uh, all your decisions, from all the things you decide in the very beginning, like, okay, let's have kid, but at the end the guy will run away and the guy will join to other pussy, and then you are screwed. No, and then you are thinking that that guy is already will support you, or is financially able to support you in the future, that you guys are talking about having kids like that. And then suddenly at the end of time, uh, when you are in the middle of pregnancy, then he will join another pussy. That's basically what happened here in the Philippines. That's why be aware, be careful, sexy ladies and hot ladies out there that are not yet having kids, to always